So the installation work, it gives the customer their home back. We try to get the lift installed as quickly as possible with as little disruption, whilst making sure obviously the lift's installed correctly and safely. Typically the installation, it can take a day up to a maximum 2 days, obviously depending on location and travelling and traffic conditions, etc. So, but generally it's within a day. The work initially, once obviously the building work's completed, it mainly involves just obviously installing the product. So it'll be a case the guys will come in, they'll take a few measurements, put the rails in, and it's as simple as rails in, put the hoist and the motor in, the car in, and that's it, we're done. It's a very, very quick and simple process. What we try to achieve is obviously give the customer their house back and allow them to have free movement in their property and continue living maybe the family home that they've been in for 50 years, or maybe it's just a home they've just moved into and really love it. So we just try to give them the freedom to live, basically. 9 times out of 10 the customer's obviously quite emotional. For some of our customers it could be the first time they've been upstairs for a number of years. For other customers it could just mean continuing to live life as normal. We normally get some very, very, very positive reactions from the customers. My father's disabled, so I know what it means to people to be able to have their lives and live it without any problem. So for me it's personally satisfying knowing that I'm helping somebody and the product's actually giving someone a life back. And also what that means for their family as well, because a lot of the times these lifts are also commissioned by their children maybe, or to try and give their parents a bit of quality of life. So yeah, it's hugely satisfying.